Oh, pips, lots, spreads, leverage, margin, ask, bid. Ugh, motherfucker! It's like the market's screaming ancient curses at you in binary while your portfolio's doing the cha-cha on a minefield. Ever stared at that glowing trading screen and felt your brain cells packing up for a permanent vacation? Like, nah, bro, we're out. This shit's a fever dream from Wall Street's acid trip. Yeah, me too. And I've seen some wild shit, but this is designed to make you feel dumber than a bag of hammers so you chase the next sure thing guru course. But hold up, what if I told you that by the end of this chaotic rant, you'll not only get the 4 most important trading terms locked in your skull tighter than a bad tattoo, but you'll explain them to your grandma while she's yelling at the bingo color. We're ditching the suit and tie bullshit for pizza-fueled analogies, Fortnite-level stakes, and Batman villain twists. Buckle in, we're about to hack the Matrix without the red pill giving you heartburn. Stick around, or don't. Your broke ass will thank me later. First off, the one that sounds like a rejected Muppet character, PIPS, percentage in point? Who gives a flying fuck about acronyms that died in a boardroom? Nah, pips are just the tiniest goddamn twitch a currency pair can make, like the smallest jerk in your ex's eye roll when you suggest splitting the bill. Picture your phone screen. 1 pixel lights up. Meh, it's a sad little dot begging for friends. Boom! Millions team up and you've got Netflix binging. Same vibe here. A pip is that solo pixel move, say from 1.0755 to 1.0756 on EUR/USD. 1 pip. Boom! Traders bragging, I bagged 50 pips. They're just flexing that the price danced 50 of those micro steps their way. It's the scoreboard in this casino, not actual cash. Could be chump change or your rent money, depending on how ballsy you went. Simple as stealing candy from a baby, except the baby's got a switchblade. That's pips, tiny steps in a marathon of madness. All right, so those steps are cute, but how much do they actually slap your wallet? Enter lots, the portion control nightmare of trading. You don't stroll into Domino's for 1 pepperoni molecule, do you? That's for ants with trust funds. Now you grab a whole pie, maybe extra cheese if you're feeling reckless. Trading's the same. You're slinging bundles, not pocket lint. Standard lot, that's the family-sized apocalypse. 100,000 units of base currency. Like ordering the entire menu at Golden Corral and pretending you're building muscle. Many lot, 10,000 units. Your chill Taco Bell run. Enough to not regret, but not flex on Insta. And micro lot, the newbie's wet dream. 1,000 units. Pop in, snag a single slice, dip out before the heartburn hits. Here's the unholy glue. Your lot size is the multiplier on those pips. Micro lot, each pip's worth like 10 cents. 50 pips nets you $5. Woo, grande mocha achieved. Standard lot, $10 per pip. 50 pips, 500 clams, baby. Weekend in Vegas, or at least a decent Uber binge. Pips equals distance sprinted. Lot equals the rocket boots you're strapped into. Bigger boots, sky-high highs, or crater-deep faceplants incoming. Choose wisely or don't. Darwin Awards are free. Whoa, pump the brakes. A standard lot is $100K? I ain't got Elon-level stacks in my sock drawer. Fear not, you glorious degenerate. That's where leverage crashes the party like a drunk uncle at a wedding. Leverage is your broker spotting you God mode powers. Control a mountain of cash with a molehill of your own. 100-to-1 leverage? $1 from you commands 100 from them. So that 100K lot, cough up a measly 1K deposit, and you're playing in the big leagues. It's how we plebs turn beer money into holy shit, I might afford therapy gains. But wait, superpowers? More like a nuclear backpack that hums sweetly until it doesn't. Leverage amps your wins like Red Bull on steroids. But your losses? Oh, they get the same VIP treatment. That 1% dep against you on your 100K position? Poof! Your 1K deposit is vaporized faster than a bad Tinder date. Margin is the quiet enforcer here. It's that 1K good faith cash you gotta keep in the account to hold the position. Dip below? Margin call. Brokers like pay up or get out, and suddenly you're naked in the market trading memes for rent. It's the financial equivalent of chugging a fifth of whiskey and yelling, "Watch this!" off a roof. Thrilling? Hell yes. Terrifying? Abso-fucking-lutely. Respect it like you'd respect a live grenade with a loose pin, because one wrong tick and boom, your dreams are confetti. Last boss, the snaky bastard, the spread. You've been gouged by this prick since forever. Airport currency exchange, they buy your dollars at 120 euros, sell them back at 125. That nickel and dime gap, the spread. The house always wins a slice. Trading's identical. Bid price, what the broker pays you to sell, versus ask price, what they charge you to buy. Spread's the delta, the broker's thanks for playing tax. You jump at a trade, you're already down a few pips just to break even, like starting a Fortnite match with half health and no shields. Gotta claw those pips back to zero before the profits party starts. It's baked in, unavoidable, like ads in YouTube or that one relative who overshares at Thanksgiving. Annoying? Sure. But know it exists, and you won't rage quit your first trade screaming, "Scam!" Boom! Recap time, you trading savage. You sling a fat lot, your armored tank, fueled by leverage, stolen Batmobile thrusters, and a margin deposit, your non-refundable balls-to-the-wall bet. Bryce twitches peps your way? Cha-ching! But dodge that spread toll booth first, or you're just funding the broker's yacht fund. Ask and bid, just the buy-sell sticky notes on the chaos. Say, it's a deranged video game where the glitches can bankrupt you, but now you're the glitch hunter. If this unhinged breakdown finally flipped the switch in your trader brain, making those terms click like a glitching save file, smash that like button harder than a toddler on a sugar rush. YouTube needs to beam this to every lost soul Googling, "Forex, what the fuck?" at 2 a.m. Drop your wildest analogy in the comments. Make it filthy, make it funny, or I'll haunt your charts. Subscribe or perish in noob purgatory. Next up, candlesticks, but we're doing it with clown makeup and existential dread. Stay feral, trade like you mean it, and remember, the market's a bitch, but you're the one with the leash. Catch you on the flip, legends. And yo, speaking of leashes, let's rant on this whole financial freedom scam real quick. These TikTok bros and Lambos preaching passive income streams while their crypto's underwater? Straight cap. It's like promising you'll get ripped while eating Tide Pods. Looks hot in the thumbnail, ends with you puking in the ER. Real freedom? It's not some algo bot whispering sweet nothings. It's staring down that leverage abyss, knowing one wrong move, and you're back to ramen noodles and side hustle Uber. But fuck it. That's the thrill. Embrace the chaos or get stepped on by the hedge fund whales. Society's out here selling you dreams wrapped in spreadsheets. But nah, trading's the raw, unfiltered gut punch. Win big or learn humility the hard way. Who's with me? Let's burn the participation trophies and actually risk something for once.